Hey friends, Chris here, The Purpose Bait Company. This week we're going to change it up a little bit. I know last episode we talked about making bladed jigs with our, our brand new Slayer jigs from Epic Bait Molds, the lead molds. But unfortunately, with the weather the way it is, I don't know when the box from Barlow's is going to come. So we're going to hold off a little bit to that. And I totally understand, you know what I mean? This weather system, this weather storm, winter storm's got everyone affected. Speaking of, I hope everyone out there is safe and sound. I hope your families, are okay. It's pretty significant. We got 16 plus inches here, so I spent the last 2 days plowing snow, and it's getting cold now. So just know there's people out there that are busting their butt, that you're without power, you're without resources, that they're busting their butt to try and get things restored for you. My thoughts and prayers are with you. But hopefully, if everything's okay, you can sit here and watch this episode. But yeah, so this week we're going to shoot the 1.7 tactical shad, or new mold, just for the 1/16 bladed jig. We're going to shoot the 4.1 inch Whipwad, of course from Epic. That should make for a good trailer, right? And our color of choice, first we're going to do the Chartreuse. We're going to do the 106 and the tails. So we're going to use a trick, shoot the whole bait, cut the tails off, and then put them back in the mold. And then the top color is going to be mint brown 188 with a couple drops of baby bass 182 with some black Whisker, some Sunfish Pixie dust, and some purple 035 square. That'll be our top color. And for our bottom color, we're going to use 1 drop of baby bass, and we're going to use some Siren scales and jade. So, you guys want to find out how those turned out? You know what to do next. Stick around. Let's choose some baits. All right, Plastisol's up to temp. LureWorks, Chartreuse, 108. Let's go. Half a cup, 25 drops. 25. Oh yeah. Okay. We're good. Let's shoot it. Here we go. Perfect. Let's see how our molds came out. Let's see if we can get our tails off these. Make sure we shot these all right. Should be pretty easy, but you never know. All right, first up, 1.7 tactical. All right, 4.1. Oh yeah. Perfect tails. This ain't working like this. There it is. Perfect tails. All right, guys, we got our tails in right here. Just like that. Now let's make our laminate. Be right back. All right, Plastisol is up to temp. Of course, LureWorks Plastisol Pro medium blend. All right, so we're going to do half a cup. So we're going to do 4 drops of mint brown, and then we're going to do 2 drops of baby bass. So, mint brown. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. All right, we're going to do 5. Got a little carried away on that one. And then, man, I'm getting this stuff everywhere. I'm making a mess. 2 drops, baby bass. One, 2. And that gives us our color. Not too shabby. All right, let's get to our good stuff now. 1/32 of, ooh, that went everywhere. A smidgen, 1/32 Pixie dust, Sunfish. I got this stuff everywhere. All right, 1/16 of Whisker glitter. And then a 1/16. Might as well show you too, right? All right. Get rid of the glare. There we go. Get rid of all that good stuff there. And watch our color come to life. Get all these goodies on the side. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's get our ball come ready. First one's done. Second temperature up to temp. Let's set our drop of baby bass in our siren scales. See if we can't make a mess. Oh, 1 drop. Get our siren scales. We're still making a mess. Getting this stuff everywhere. It's one of them days. Just one of them days. All right. There we go. Watch the magic happen. Oh yeah. Look at that. Perfect. Just what we wanted. Okay. Let's get these 2 to temp and let's shoot these suckers. All right. Temperatures are up. Get our dual ejector ready. And belly's on the left, belly's on the right. And then we're gonna shoot this split. So like we learned with the worms, right side, left side with the bolt splits. All right, let's go. Get our purge. Good. Okay. First smells good. Second. Third. off. Look at that. Exactly how it should have worked. All right. All right. You guys ready to see these? So am I. Let's start off with the blending block. Oh, yeah. Pretty good together, huh? Good. Of course, our purge. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? Cool. Enough of that. Let's see the good stuff. All right. Whipwad's up first. Come on. Cooperate. Come on. Oh, there it is. There it is. There's the money shot. I love this color. I cheated. I shot this. I shot this bait before. So Nathan from UWP Custom, he we did a bait swap, and I was fooling around with some different things, and I shot this color, and I absolutely loved it. I didn't want to make a video on it because I didn't want him to see before he got his baits. So, huh? Look at that. You see that? Just where that translucent comes in? Look at that. And it just gets a little bit more green as the body goes through. Of course, our chartreuse tail. Huh? Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Is it better that way? Nope. Go down this camera. See down here? Oh, I just love that. I absolutely love how that transitions like that. Oh, that's so good. All right. Those are those guys. Let's see our brand new mold. 1.7 tactical. Okay. Do this. Which one's it going to go? It's going to go this way. Okay. Look at her tails. Look at her tails. Look at these guys. Oh, yeah. Look at that. See that in the GoPro? See that? Man, I just love how that transitions. It's just subtle. Top. Bottom. Huh? We do good? We do good? Look better that way? That way? Oh, it looks so good. Oh, this turned out fantastic. All right, cool. Those are baits. Like I said, this was a kind of an impromptu. Wanted to be making the bladed jigs, but with that storm, you know what I mean. I totally understand. I just hope everyone's okay. I know I just saw the latest stats. It's like 800,000 people still without power. Like 21, 22 people passed away in this mega storm. I mean, it was like 2,300 miles at its widest spot. So that's a huge storm. I just hope everyone out there is, your family, your friends, everyone you know, everyone you care about is safe and you're okay. So, yeah, that's it. Nothing too special today, this week. Next week, we'll see what happens. No guarantees, you know what I mean? Let's see what happens. Everything could be turned around still, so no big deal. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. You know what I mean? Clicking on that link, liking, commenting, subscribing. The comments, you know what I mean? I can sit there and read those over and over again. The support, the help, everything. This has been a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this. I never thought that I enjoyed it as much as I do. But yeah, thank you all. Like and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you next week. Take care, guys. Be safe.